What is up, guys? Today we will have unboxing brief review of the Toothbrush SonicProtect Pro LVTB 124WH from Lovio Beauty company. So that's how it looks like, that's what should be inside. And actually what's included here should be IPX8 Waterproof, wireless charging, 5 modes, 3 intensity levels, up to 180 days without charging, pressure sensor and 2 minutes timer. So all included. Accessories, we have soft head, medium head, face brush cleaner even, travel case, USB wireless charger, and all this box included here. And actually that's it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Opening this is old style process, like you open some perfume, and actually that's how it looks like, fully opened. Okay, so this is all rubbish. Alright, so let's move on with unboxing. The process is very simple but very interesting. So that's what we have inside. Actually, we have two boxes like this. Here is USB wireless charger. Here is two brush heads. Let's check some documents here as well. Repair registration. Okay. User manual. Okay, so actually it's written here charging time is 36 hours. Lithium battery, USB cable 1 meter, 5 volts, 2 watt here. Some dimensions described, and here we have a description of all of the characteristics. So wireless charging port, wireless charging pedestal, cleaning mode indicator, gum care, white mode, polish mode, pro clean mode. So actually features also described here, and how to use it properly, 30 seconds per each side. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, let's move on. What we have here is USB wireless charger. That's how it looks like. Looks quite nice. It's 2 watt, 5 volt, and it's actually described what's inside, and just regular USB here. Okay, this one box. Let's try the second box. So here we have the heads. 1, 2, actually quite many of them. We have 4 heads, one medium, one as I remember, or they're same. No, they're not same, they're different. So two, plus this for, I don't know, for some massage stuff. Interesting what you massage with this, face massage they're written. Okay, and the toothbrush itself. That's how it looks like in such white case here. The brand indicated is like hard cover. And again, oh, we have 2 more here. Again, one soft, one medium. And the device itself. So we have this protection cover. So it's 2 bottom and 1. Okay, so one bottom is for changing the modes. Second bottom is to change exact mode. You see here when I press Pro Clean, Clean, Gum Care, White, Polish, and this we turn on. Okay, so actually you can white, you activate as different modes, and that's how it looks in the charger. And the case made from rubber and plastic, quite nice. And let's connect the different heads. Okay, let's open this face massage thing here, put it like this, and try it out. Okay, just some sort of massage here. Also the battery indicator is here, you see, 3 now. And let's try, I don't know, polish, for example. Okay, this is very soft. You can change it on the way, actually. Okay, you can make it harder. Here's the hardness level, 2, 3, okay. how to understand the battery indicator, I don't get it, but again, written IPX8 3.7 volt. And let's try to open the medium. Medium is with gray one. Where is gray? Where is gray? This is a gray one. So when you open it, this is a medium. Just set it up like this. So it's all branded. The cover like this. Okay, it's quite aggressive modes here if it's put for hard, but you can make it lower. This turn on, turn off. So you can put it like this. You see it's also stable. You can put it like that. You can insert it in the charger. And actually what you've got for its price is quite nice what you have. The set is really huge. You have the 6 heads, you have this massage head here, you have the charger, you have the toothbrush itself. A quite nice package. And actually for the review and brief reviews, that's pretty much it. How you use it, of course, it's up to you. It will be all the modes here, and whether you like it or no, it's more personal, so it's hard to say. As for me, it's just regular toothbrush that works well, and for its price, doing everything what needed from it, let's say. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.